if a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long it will take? So speed of long tail boat speed is given, that is 12 kilometers in 1 hour. So this is 12 kilometers per hour. So if a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, we have to find time taken. So time taken by long tail boat to travel 60 kilometers is equal to, on dividing 60 by 12, we will get time taken. That is 60 divided by 12. So on dividing 60 with 12, we will get 5. So time taken is equal to 5 hours. So it takes 5 hours to travel a distance of 60 kilometers.